In 2025, Dodge steps into the future of luxury travel with a bold new chapter, the all-new Dodge Motorhome. It's not just a camper, it's an experience built on power, performance, and plush comfort, bringing a legendary American brand into the world of high-end motorhomes like never before. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Dodge Motorhome commands attention on the road. With its aggressive front fascia, signature Dodge LED light bar, and aerodynamic bodywork, it doesn't just look like a motorhome, it looks like a muscle machine on a long-haul mission. The blacked-out grille is flanked by adaptive matrix LED headlights, which offer superior visibility and automatically adjust based on speed and lighting conditions. The side profile reveals a sleek, extended body with integrated storage bays, retractable steps, and flush-mounted tinted windows that give it a smooth, futuristic vibe. One of the most eye-catching features is the roof-mounted solar panel array, providing up to 1.5 kilowatts of renewable energy, perfect for off-grid adventures. At the rear, the LED taillight bar stretches across the full width, giving the motorhome a modern finish. Add to that the dual rear cameras, an electric tow hook, and 22-inch matte black wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires. And it's clear, this isn't your grandpa's RV. Under the hood, and yes, Dodge didn't skimp here. The 2025 motorhome comes equipped with a 6.4-liter HEMI V8 engine, delivering a staggering 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. This beast can tow up to 10,000 pounds, whether you're pulling an ATV trailer or a speedboat. For those going greener, Dodge also offers a hybrid version featuring a twin-turbo V6 paired with an electric motor setup, producing a combined 420 horsepower. With regenerative braking and plug-in capabilities for short-range EV-only mode. On the road, the ride is surprisingly smooth thanks to its self-leveling air suspension, adaptive dampers, and a reinforced frame. Highway cruising feels solid and planted, even with crosswinds or tricky terrain. Off-road, the selectable terrain modes, sand, rock, snow, and mud, make sure this rig doesn't shy away from adventure. And the optional 4x4 drivetrain with electronic locking differentials ensures traction wherever you go. Inside, things get even more luxurious. Although we're not diving into full interior details here, it's worth mentioning that the driving cockpit feels like a high-tech command center. You're greeted with a massive curved touchscreen dashboard with built-in GPS, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even voice-controlled climate and lighting. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras make long-distance travel much safer and far less stressful. Fuel efficiency, especially for a vehicle of this size, is respectable. The hybrid model offers an average of 17 miles per gallon combined, while the gas-only HEMI V8 lands closer to 13, with a 45-gallon fuel tank. That gives you an impressive range before your next stop. And with the solar integration plus optional roof battery bank, you can run most interior amenities without ever plugging in. Now let's talk price. The base model of the 2025 Dodge Motorhome starts at around $139,000, which includes the standard gas V8 to WD and a mid-range feature set. Upgrading to the hybrid variant brings the price to about $154,000, fully loaded with 4WD, premium interior finishes, solar roof, full off-road package, and luxury tech. You're looking at close to $189,000. While that might sound steep, when compared to competitors offering less performance or fewer features at similar or higher prices, Dodge is positioning this model as both a power-packed and cost-effective option. For buyers who want to personalize their rig, Dodge offers extensive customization, from exterior wraps and trim packages to interior themes, lighting moods, and even AI-integrated systems for route planning, weather alerts, and traffic management. In conclusion, the 2025 Dodge Motorhome is a bold move from a brand known for speed, muscle, and performance, and now, Dodge is proving it can also dominate the roads of adventure and luxury travel. Whether you're a family looking to explore in comfort or a thrill seeker chasing off-grid adrenaline, This motorhome delivers style, strength, and smarts all in one mean machine dot. So if you're in the market for a motorhome that combines iconic design, serious performance, and next-level technology, the 2025 Dodge Motorhome might just be the one to take you further than ever before.